Good morning and Jain students. This time I have taken the chapter Bholi from the book Footprint Without Feet. So here, this chapter is about Bholi, who was a girl and who has problem also. And when she was not educated, she was Bholi and she was so innocent. But when she became educated girl and then she took right action, how we will see here. From her very childhood, Bholi was neglected at home. Why did her teacher take special interest in her? Did Bholi measure up to her teacher's expectations? Yes. Now her name was Sulekha, but since her childhood, everyone had been calling her Bholi the simpleton. Means Bholi means simple. She was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal, and she was fourth daughter of Ramlal, and she was when she was 10 months old, she had fallen off, means fell down on from the she fell down the cot and on her head, and due to that damage she started stammering. Stammering मतलब होता है बोलने में प्रॉब्लम, difficulty in speaking. So at birth the child was very fair and pretty, but when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox, you know very well, and due to that her eyes were saved, but the whole face and her entire body was permanently disfigured by deep black poke marks. So little Sulekha could not speak till she was 5 due to her problem. She was stammering, and the children often made fun of her. उसकी वजह से लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे, and they also did mimicry. So Ramlal had 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters, and the youngest of them was Bholi. Bholi सबसे छोटी थी. It was a prosperous farmer's household. It was prosperous means होता well rich family and plenty to eat and drink. All the means they were wealthy, they were rich. All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong, and the sons had been sent to the city to study and in colleges also. Of the daughter Radha, the eldest, had already been married, and the second daughter Mangala's married had also been settled, and when that was done, Ramlal would think of the third Champa. They were good looking and healthy girls, so no difficulty was there in their marriage. So but Ramlal was worried about Bholi because she had neither good looking nor she was intelligent. Then Bholi was 7 years old when Mangala was married. Then same year a primary school for girls opened in that village, and he said the Tehsildar said to Ramlal, as in this village you must set an example to the villagers because you are here here you are on a special post. He was a revenue official, so he said ki you must start first to send your daughter to the school. That night when Ramlal consulted his wife, she cried because in that time marriage of girls was very important and they were not supposed to study. So Ramlal had not the courage to disobey the Tehsildar. So he said Bholi to go to school, and then with her ugly face and lack of sense, let the teachers at school worry about her. Now he said ki let the teachers worry about her in school. So the next day Ramlal caught Bholi by the hand and said, come with me, I will take you to school. Bholi was frightened का मतलब डर गई, वो बहुत डर गई. Then see here, then she didn't know what a school, वो school के बारे में नहीं जानती थी, and she remembered how a few days ago their old cow Lakshmi had been turned out of the house and sold. No, she shouted in terror and pulled her hand away from her father's grip. What is the matter with you, you fool? Shouted Ramlal. I am only taking you to school. Then he told his wife, let her wear some decent clothes today, and or else what will the teacher send the others school girls think of us when they see her? New clothes had never been made for Bholi. See here, new clothes were never made for Bholi. The old dresses of her sisters were passed on to her. मतलब वो अपने बड़ी बहनों के ही कपड़े पहनती थी. But today she was lucky to receive a clean dress which had been here which had shrunk after many washings and no longer fitted Champa. So she was even bathed and oil was rubbed into her dry and matted hair. She was getting ready. Now, when they reached the school, the children were already in their classrooms. Ramlal had handed over his daughter to the headmistress, and then left alone the poor girl looked around, or she was looking all around there, fearing, and fear-laden eyes means sitting on the heels, and there were several rooms, and in each room girls like her squatted on mats. So, reading from books or writing on slates. The headmistress asked Bholi to sit down in a corner and in one of the classrooms. Okay, students, I will just start the left chapter in my next video. Thank you and Jai Hind.